Hello everybody. We study now deductive proof. If two straight lines intersect, then the measures of each two vertically opposite angles are equal. For example, if straight line AE intersect straight line CD, straight line AE intersect straight line CD. Since in straight line AE intersect straight line CD, therefore measure of angle ABC equals measure of angle DBE. Also, measure of angle ABD equals measure of angle CBE. It's what? Yes, vertically opposite angles. Thank you. Excellent. We study the congruence of triangles. If we have two sides and included angles are equals, then the two triangles are, yes, excellent congruent. We have what? We have AE equal DE and BE equal CE, and we have what? Yes, angle AEC equals angle DEB. Why? Yes, vertically opposite angles. Again, we have in two triangles AEC and DEB, we have number one, side AE equals side DE. Number two, side CE equals side BE. Number three, measure of angle what? Yes, AEC equals measure of angle DEB. It's what? Vertically opposite angles. Then, therefore, triangle AEC congruent with triangle DEB. It's what is sense and this therefore. Okay? Another one. The sum of measure of accumulative angles at a point is equal to 360. For example, prove that OE and OB, OE and OB on the same straight line. It's what? The sum of angles on this straight line equals what? Equals, yes, 180. We will prove that. Okay? This angle is what? Is accumulative angle. Then measure of angle is what? Accumulative angle. Then since sum of accumulative angles equals at a point, excellent, at a point, excellent equal 360. So, therefore, yes, measure of angle AOE equals 360 minus what? Okay, 130 plus 70 plus 60 divided what? divided to 360 minus 130 plus 70 plus 60 divided what? Divided 2. It's equals what? Equals 50. Then measure of angle BOA plus measure of angle AOE equals 50 plus 130 equals 180. Therefore, OE and OB on the same straight line. Okay. Another one. We study parallelism. If we have two lines are parallel or two rays are parallel, then we have three cases. Number one, BA parallel to CD and this letter Z, okay, and excellent BC is a transversal. So this what? Alternate angles. Yes. Then measure of angle B equals measure of angle C, alternate angles. And okay, again, since BA parallel to CD and BC is a transversal, okay, then measure of angle B equals measure of angle C, alternate angles. In alternate angles, two angles are equal in measure. In alternate angles, two angles are equal in measure. Number two, corresponding angles, letter F. If we have YX parallel to ZL and YE transversal, then measure of angle Y equals measure of angle Z, corresponding angles, okay? Number three, interior angles or interior supplementary angles. If we have YX parallel to ZL and ZY, yes, thank you, is a transversal, then measure of angle Y plus measure of angle Z equals 180. Two angles, or two interior angles are supplementary. Sum equals 180. It means angle Z plus angle Y equals 180. Okay? For example, if we have YD parallel to MF, he wants what? Find measure of angle FED. FED. Since ED parallel to FM, then, thank you, measure of angle MFB equal measure of angle DEF. It's what? Yes, letter F, it's corresponding angle. Since ED parallel to FM and, okay, EF is a transversal, okay, then measure of angle MFB equals measure of angle DEF equal 40. It's what? Corresponding angle. It's what? Corresponding angles. Number B, AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, find measure of angle C, find measure of angle C with proof. Since AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, this what? This letters what? Letter U, then measure of angle C equals 180 minus 80, it's 100. Why? Interior supplementary angles. Since AB parallel to CD, then measure of angle A plus measure of angle C equals 180. Why? Yes, it's interior supplementary angles. Okay. Number C, he wants x equals what? What is this? Yes, we have two straight lines, AB and CD intersect at E. Then measure of angle AEC equals measure of angle BED. It's what? Yes, vertically opposite angles. Again, since AB intersects with straight line CD equals E, then measure of angle AEC equals measure of angle BED, then x minus 3 equals 70. We want x, then x equals 70 plus 3 equals 73. Here it's what's excellent. Thank you. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Congruency. Again, if we have AB equals AD and DC equal BC and AC what? Yes, common side. Excellent. In the opposite figure, prove that measure of angle D equals measure of angle B. When we have two triangles are congruent, then every element here equals every element in another triangle. Okay, since we have two triangles ACB and ACD, we have but what? Number what? AB equals AD. Number 2, DC equals BC. Number 3, excellent, AC is what? Yes, common side. AC is a common side. Then triangle ACB congruent with triangle ACD, then measure of angle D equals measure of angle B, and measure of angle BAC equal measure of angle DAC, and measure of angle ACB equals, yes, excellent, measure of angle ACD, but we want here in measure of angle D equal measure of angle B. Another one, prove that AC equals DB. We have two triangles again. Since an AB equals DC and measure of angle A equal measure of angle D, it's 90 degree, and CB is yes, common side or common hypotenuse, then triangle BAC congruent with triangle BDC. since two triangles BAC and BDC, we have AB equals DC. Number 2, measure of angle A equals measure of angle D equals 90. Number 3, BC is a common hypotenuse or common hypotenuse. Therefore, triangle BAC congruent with triangle BDC. Then AC equals AD. Yes, if we have two triangles are congruent, then AC equal DC and measure of angle ABC equal measure of angle DBC and measure of angle ACB equal measure of angle DBC. We want what? He wants AC equals what? Equals BD. Okay? Again, we have two triangles BAC and BDC. We have 3. AB equals DC, measure of angle A equal measure of angle D, and BC is a common hypotenuse. Then triangle ABC congruent with triangle BDC. Then AC equals what? BD. Thank you.